Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever seen an AI-generated video that just looks completely wrong, where the physics just doesn't make sense? You might ask for a video of a rock and a feather falling, and the AI might show them falling at the same speed, which we know isn't right. Today, we're looking at a new paper describing a system called VChain, which is designed to teach AI some common sense for making videos. Current video generation models can produce beautiful clips, but they often fail at basic cause and effect. For example, in a scene of a bowling ball hitting pins, a standard model might just make the pins jitter or fade away, failing to capture the actual impact. The core problem is that these models struggle to synthesize a coherent chain of consequences over time. VChain fixes this with a really clever two-step approach. Instead of just generating a video directly from a text prompt, it first uses a very smart multimodal AI, like GPT-4o, to reason about the process step by step. It's like creating a storyboard before you start filming a movie. This reasoning process creates what the researchers call a chain of visual thoughts. These are a few key images that show the most important moments of the action. For an ice cube melting, the AI would generate an image of the solid cube, then a partially melted one, and finally just a puddle of water. These keyframes act as a blueprint for the entire video. These visual thoughts are then used to guide the main video generation model. This technique is called sparse inference time tuning, which is a fancy way of saying they give the video AI a few important hints without having to retrain it completely. This makes the whole process much more efficient and practical. And the results are pretty stunning. The quantitative evaluations show that VChain significantly outperforms other methods in metrics related to physics, common sense, and causal reasoning. When you look at the videos side by side, the difference is clear. An ice cream cone generated with VChain melts realistically into a puddle, while the standard AI just deforms the cone oddly. Similarly, a rubber duck floats while a rock sinks, just as you'd expect in real life, a distinction other models often miss. So, to recap the main points, VChain gets a powerful AI to first reason about the steps of an action, creating key visual moments. These visual thoughts then guide the video generator to create a more coherent and physically realistic final product. This is a big step towards AI that doesn't just create pretty pictures, but actually understands the world it's trying to simulate. What does this mean for the future? This approach could lead to much better tools for artists and filmmakers, more realistic simulations for science and education, and eventually, AI that can better predict the consequences of actions in the real world. It's a foundational step in bridging the gap between AI generation and AI reasoning. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.